So question 46, a juicy little question to test your knowledge and application of index laws. Let's see how you get on with this one. So before answering the question, I thought it would be good to just have a quick look at the index laws that we're going to be using. The first one is when we're raising an index to another index, and so a to the power b to the power c can be written as a to the power bc, but of course bc is the same as cb. Doesn't matter how we multiply two numbers together, even when they're in an index. So that's the first log law. So not the first log law, the first index law we're going to be using. And the second one is when we add two indices together, we can break the a to the b plus c into a to the b times a to the c, and then a to the minus b is 1 over a to the b. The negative index sends the number to the denominator. Okay, so that's one of these. 3 to the power 3x. Using this index law here, I've changed 3 to the 3x to 3 to the x to the power 3, and 3 to the x is y, so this is just y cubed. For part B, I can change 9 into 3 squared, so 9 to the x is 3 squared to the power x, and when we use this feature of indices, 3 to the power 2x is the same as 3 to the power x to the power 2. So that's the same as y squared. With part C, 3 to the x minus 2, using this law, tells me that that's the same as 3 to the x times 3 to the minus 2, and then applying this one on the 3 to the minus 2, that gives me 1 over 3 squared. When I tidy that up, 3 to the x is y, 1 over 3 squared is 1 over 9, so the answer is 1 over 9y. The final one here, 27 to the power x over 2, well, I can replace 27 with 3 cubed. Then, using this index law, I'll multiply the powers together to give me 3 to the power 3x over 2, and then I can use that same index law again to split this up into a slightly different form, which gives me the 3 to the x that I want, and then I can replace the 3 to the x with y, so the answer is y to the 3 over 2. So how did you get on with those? I hope you did okay. You may need to revise your index laws and the application of those index laws. And we'll be doing more questions on indices in days to come. Okay, if you got the same answers, well done.